In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Steam 64 ID. This is the long, unique identifier tied to your Steam account, and it's often requested by game servers, moderators, or support teams. It's different from your display name or any custom URL you might have set, and it always appears as a long number that typically begins with 7656119. First, open Steam. You can do this in the desktop app or in a web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want the ID for. Once Steam is open, look toward the top of the window where your profile name appears. It's usually in the upper right corner. Click your profile name to open the small profile menu. From that menu, click View My Profile. This takes you straight to your public profile page on Steam. You'll know you're in the right spot if you see your avatar, your summary, and the usual profile sections like badges and friends. Now, look at the URL at the top of the window. If you're in a web browser, you'll see it in the address bar. If you're viewing your profile inside the Steam app, you'll also see your profile address at the top of the interface. What you're looking for is the part of the address that shows steamcommunity.com profiles, followed by a long number. If your profile link looks like steamcommunity.com/profiles 76xxxx, that number is your Steam 64 ID. It should be a 17-digit number, and as a quick sanity check, it almost always starts with 7656119. To use it anywhere, highlight just the number after profiles, copy it, and paste it wherever it's requested. Be careful to avoid copying any extra slashes or characters before or after the number. If you're double-checking accuracy, compare what you copied to the address you see. The Steam 64 ID is only the numeric portion. No letters, no spaces, no punctuation beyond the slash that separates it from the rest of the URL. Keeping that clean ensures servers and tools can read it correctly. That's all there is to it. Open Steam, go to your profile, and read the number in the URL if it follows the Sheesh Profiles Bash format. Once you have it, you can store it in a note for quick access later, add it to server whitelists, or share it with support when needed. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly where to find your Steam 64 ID quickly and reliably.